Welcome to the Nature Center at Shaker Lakes. Today on our virtual hike, we'll be exploring along the ADA accessible All Peoples Trail. This boardwalk overlooks several water habitats. We'll be taking a closer look at the Dome Brook, the marsh, and even Lower Lake. One of my favorite parts of this boardwalk trail is looking out at the water habitats and noticing when they come together. We're able to see Dome Brook from the All Peoples Trail, and this stream moves through the forest. So along its banks you can see trees, you can see some evidence of erosion, and even some evidence of animal visitors. Those footprints belong to a deer. The water in the stream moves, it flows, it turns around different corners and bends, but as it approaches the marsh, you can actually notice it slowing down. There are many birds that visit the All Peoples Trail too. This is a green heron. It's looking for a snack, I think, because green herons can eat small fish. They often perch like this on the edge of waterways to find their next meal. Because it's summer, the marsh is in bloom. There are many swamp rose mallow blooming, along with other native plants, to fill the marsh. As the water moves from Dome Brook into the marsh, it not only slows down and becomes a new type of habitat, it's also cleaned. A marsh is a wetland that actually filters the water as it moves through that space. So it's a very important part of the Shaker Parklands ecosystem. If we follow the All Peoples Trail around and onto the sidewalk, we'll be able to see the water flow from the marsh underneath the street and into Lower Lake. Once again, we're able to see that transition between water habitats as the water flows into a larger habitat. If we were to continue following this water as it flows through Lower Lake, it would flow into Dome Brook again and eventually end up in Lake Erie. I think the trail along the All Peoples Trail is a good reminder of how water is connected. Thanks for joining us on the virtual hike today at the Nature Center at Shaker Lakes. We hope to see you live in person on our trails, or to see you tuning in on our next virtual adventure.